If you implement the exact strategy I'm about to give to you in this video, you will increase your revenue at a minimum of 30%. What's poppin', everybody? My name is Ethan Dobbins. If you don't already know, Ethan Dobbins Official on the gram. But today, this is going to be an absolute banger because we're going to be talking about upsells. Now, everyone should be pretty familiar with this concept of upsells. Now, if you're not, don't worry, I'll just give you a brief synopsis. So, you know when you're going to Burger King or McDonald's or whatever it is, and you're getting your usual number 2, you know, the Whopper burger, medium size with an extra Diet Coke? Now, an upsell is going to be when the cashier slyly says, hey, do you want to add an extra apple pie for $1? And you're like, whoa, $1, that's a pretty solid deal. And then usually a lot of people are going to take it because you're already in this buying sense of mood. You're like, I mean, I'm already getting a Whopper. I might as well also just indulge in an apple pie as well. Now, not every single upsell is going to be a good offer. You definitely have to play around because I can guarantee McDonald's and Burger King, they probably tested a bunch of different items before settling down with the apple pie for $1 thing. I'm sure they played around with a bunch of different items because you don't know what's going to work initially. So you could try upselling another burger, another drink, maybe a hot dog. I don't really know, but you really have to test a bunch of different offers to figure out what's making you the most money. What are people actually interested in? And that goes along with your own business. So if you're selling jewelry, fitness products, whatever it is, you should be testing a bunch of different upsells to figure out which one gets the highest conversion rate and actually gets the most money into your pocket. Now, when someone is buying from your website, they're obviously in this state of mind where they're like, you know what, fuck it, I'll whip out my credit card, I'll buy whatever it is they're selling. It's a good deal, this is a no-brainer. So they're sort of like in this trance where they're just really interested in buying whatever it is you're selling. And when you have people in this trance, this is the best time to be selling to them, as increasing the average order value is integral to the success of any long-term business, as it will keep your ads running longer and at a higher ROAS. There is timing involved with this because obviously you need to know when is the best stage of the buying cycle to be upselling to your customers. And it's sort of like when you're asking your mom or dad to go out with your friends or whatever, and you know the best time to ask them is when they're in a good mood. Because you're obviously not going to ask them to go out if they're pissed off, they're screaming at the football game or whatever it is. You're just like, okay, can't mess with them. But if they're in a relaxed mood, maybe they're watching some National Geographic about geckos and how they're going extinct or something like that, and they're just really mellow or sad. You're like, okay, hey mom, can I go out? And then she's like, yeah, whatever, yeah, sure. And when your customers are finally shopping and buying something from you, it is your absolute duty to keep that momentum going so that you can make more money. But the real question is, what should you be offering? And when should you actually be giving them that offer? Well, there's two places that you can really do an upsell, and the first place would be during the add to cart process. So what a lot of people do is when someone does actually hit the add to cart button, they will get a little bit of a pop-up that says, hey, do you want to add these to your cart? And I used to do this, but then I realized it was a little bit of a nuisance. Because first off, obviously these people did add to cart, but you don't really know if they wanted to buy yet. And when someone sees a pop-up, they just instantly are turned off. No one likes pop-ups, usually 73% of the time. That is why someone will leave a website. So selling before people buy actually can deter them from wanting to actually complete their purchase. So you could be pushing people away by having these upsells and really trying to sell to people before they even have done anything. Because again, it's just really spammy, it's a little bit cheesy, but I will make one exception. Now, if after pressing add to cart you do a 1-year warranty for $5, $6, whatever it is, that is a really compelling offer. And if you're wondering how can I actually upsell a warranty, all you have to do is just create a product, name it 1-year warranty, $8, whatever it is, $7. It depends on the price of your product. Obviously, the higher the price of the warranty is going to be. I know personally, whenever I buy something expensive, I want a warranty. When I buy my Beats headphones or my Xbox or whatever it is, I want a warranty because I know I'm most likely going to break it. I'm a clumsy dude. Something's going to happen. So just having that warranty really soothes my objections, and just knowing that, okay, if I do break it, I'm fine. I got my ass covered. Now, how do I personally upsell to people? Well, I use Zipify one-click upsell. It is by far the best upsell strategy you can ever use. It is such a powerful tool because it actually shows upsells after someone has already purchased. So you know they're a legit customer, that they are someone that actually is willing to buy stuff because they've already done it once. Easily, this is the best investment for anyone who's making between 3 to 5 orders per day, because you can get around 40% of those people to buy again from you. So you're getting double the orders just by having this one app available. It does cost 60 bucks a month, but easily you can pay that off in days. Really, this app will pay for itself once you have the right offer. But that's the problem. A lot of people don't know how to structure the right offer, because a lot of people tend to have a difficulty after they found a winning product on figuring out what should I actually upsell, what works. It's not really always cut and dry to know what actually makes sense to upsell. I mean, if you're killing it with a white dress shirt, it obviously makes a lot of sense to upsell some different ties, some different blazers. It's really easy in that regard because it's something that complements the initial purchase. And that is the word we are looking for. Compliments. Alright everybody, so we're going to be taking this step by step with the baller upsell strategy. Now, let's imagine you're selling these rose bears. Obviously, they blow up during Valentine's Day. I wouldn't recommend selling them right now, but let's just say, for instance, you're selling them for $24.99 at 50% off. So compare app prices at $49.99. Now, this may be shocking to a lot of you, but usually the best upsell offer, and I know a lot of you are thinking to yourself once you have that winner, what can I do to complement this product? It's usually going to be the same exact product at a higher discount. So if someone already purchases and you say at checkout, hey, would you like to add another rose bear for only $21.99 at a 58% discount? I mean, that's a no-brainer. I could buy another one for my mom, my dad, whoever it is. I mean, only someone who hates their significant other would not take this offer. Now, usually that upsell right there is going to convert at around 30 to 40%, but let's say for you, it isn't converting very well and they don't accept that upsell. Well, then that's when we got to bring the big guns out to play. You know what I'm saying, guys? So if they don't take the upsell, the best course of action is going to be downselling them. So we're going to say, hey, are you sure you don't want to take this offer? You can add another rose bear for, guess what? Instead of $21.99, you know what? That's way too expensive. Let's do $18.99 at 65% off, something like that. Then that's an even bigger discount. So people aren't going to take your offer the first time at 58% off. 65% off can really sweeten the deal. Now, obviously, some people just won't buy another one. They just wanted one. So if they don't take the $18.99 offer, then you say, okay, hasta la vista, it was nice knowing you. And let's say this person takes your upsell or they take the downsell at $18.99. Then the next thing we do is, boom, we hit them with another upsell. So now that they got their 2 rose bears, we're going to hit them with another offer. So I'm going to move the rose bear out of the way. I'm just going to mask it real quick. But we're going to upsell them, let's say this Galaxy Rose, 24K, whatever it is. It's just something that complements the initial purchase. Obviously, if you're buying soccer cleats, then you're going to buy a soccer ball. It's a complimentary product. So something like this that just really complements the initial purchase. Now, my only rule for really doing upsells is never upsell a product that's over 125% their order value. Now, with this bundle of the 2 rose bears, the cheapest order value that can get through to see this offer would be $43.99. So they bought one at $24.99, they bought one at $18.99. So I don't want to upsell anything that's 125% more than $43.99. So we can do the math real quick. Let's actually go to our calculator apps. Everyone, get your calculators out. And we're just going to do this real quick. So $43.99, we're going to times that by 1.25. So we are not allowed to upsell a product that is greater than $54.99. So $50.99, you're good. $45.99, no problem. What I usually do is I like to upsell products that are usually half of the order value. So if I know the order value is going to be around 43, 45, whatever it is, I like to upsell products that are like $19.99, $21.99, because then it seems a lot cheaper. And you notice with a lot of grocery stores, when you're already spending like 80 bucks, 90 bucks on food, when you're getting to checkout, they always do these really small offers. They give you the mints, the magazines that are $1, $2, and you're like, oh, this is nothing, because you already spent all this money, so another $1 or $2 doesn't feel like anything to you. And that is exactly why these grocery stores are making a shit ton of money, because you guys are playing for the system and buying those mints at checkout when you should have been saving your money. But guys, if I can give you a final piece of advice, it would be test different offers. You do not know what is going to work until you test it. Don't be biased. Don't say, oh, there's no way this product will work if I upsell it. Test it. Have facts behind your assumptions. Don't just blindly say it's not going to work. until you test it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting videos every single week. We are going to be consistent. 2020 is our year. I have no time for excuses. If you guys have any questions or you want me to make a video, leave the comment down below and I will 100% respond to every single comment. So that's going to wrap it up. I'm Ethan Dobbins. You already know who it is. Check me out on Instagram, Ethan Dobbins Official, if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.